One of the most common concerns that you may face as a pet owner is whether or not your pet has worms. As gross as thought may be, intestinal worms are pretty common. How do pets get worms? Here are some of the most common ways that pets get worms. 1. Eating feces. Transmission of intestinal worms commonly occurs when your pet ingests contaminated soil or feces containing eggs or immature worms, larvae that have been passed from other infected animals in the environment. 2. Getting them from their mother. Pregnant and nursing dogs can transmit hookworms and roundworms larvae to their puppies during pregnancy if the larvae migrate across the placenta. These larvae can also migrate into the mammary glands and be passed to puppies during lactation. In contrast to puppies, kittens are not born already infected with worms, but they can contract them from their mother's milk. 3. Ingesting fleas while grooming. Your pet could be infected with tapeworms by licking herself during grooming or by chewing at her fur. Fleas transmit tapeworms by ingesting the tapeworm egg packets in the environment before jumping on your pet for a blood meal. 4. Hunting and scavenging. Rodents, rabbits, birds, and even insects eat parasite eggs. When a cat or dog consumes all or part of these animals while hunting or scavenging, the dormant parasite wakes up and grows into adult worm in a pet's intestines. How to tell if your pet has worms? Since worm infestation can sometimes show few to no symptoms, keep an eye out for any or all of these changes in your pet's daily health and appearance. 1. Diarrhea, sometimes containing blood or mucus. 2. Vomiting, which can sometimes contain adult worms. 3. Weight loss, particularly if your pet has a good appetite. 4. A bloated belly or generally unhealthy appearance. 5. A dull, dry coat. 6. Excessive scooting and chewing at their bottom. 7. Visible segments that look like grains of rice attached to the fur around the bottom, or on their tail, or in their feces. Can humans get worms from their pets? Humans can be exposed to roundworms through dogs and cats, usually by coming into contact with their contaminated waste. Theoretically, it may be possible to contract roundworms by petting a dog or cat. If the pet had recently rolled outside in the dirt and picked up either contaminated soil or fecal material on their fur. Frequent hand washing can decrease the chance of exposure. How to get rid of worms in pets? If you think your pet might have worms, you should schedule an appointment with your vet right away. If left untreated, intestinal parasites can migrate to other organs in your pet's body, including the heart, lungs, liver, eyes, and brain, which could lead to worsening sickness and even death in most severe cases. Once your vet has had a chance to examine your pet and analyze his fecal sample, they will determine the best type of deworming medications to treat the worms that are present. Your vet may prescribe an oral or injectable dewormer that will kill adult and larval worms.